Hi everyone, it's Marisa from bumblebeeapothecary.com. Today I'd like to share with you our current morning routine while some of us are on the GAPS diet. This is what I do on a slower morning to prepare for those busy mornings when we have to really rush out the door that enables us to stick to the GAPS diet. The first thing that I like to do right upon waking up is just get myself a little bit ready so that I feel a little bit awake and I can go get started making food for everybody. People are pretty hungry usually first thing in the morning, so I don't do much. You'll notice I keep my pajama shirt on even for a while, but I do wash my face, put on some deodorant, and then, do my hair, get it out of the way so that I'm ready to go. I've been using this magnesium deodorant still. And then after that, I head over to the kitchen. So these things are the things that I do when we have a little bit more time in the morning, when we don't have to be anywhere right away. 3 days a week, my daughter goes to school, so we have to have her there right away in the morning, so we need something fast on those mornings. So I do carrot juice that will be enough for 2 different days. It'll last in the fridge for a maximum of 2 days. So I take advantage of that and I make twice as much. And then we mix up half of it and drink it today. I also have some bacon I just put in the oven. I make, again, twice as much as we need of that so that we can quickly heat up some bacon on the days that we're not, having time to actually cook it. Also drink my beet kvass first thing in the morning. I drink some water. I'm getting some pancake batter going, making some pancakes as well. I like to make extra ones of those, both the sourdough kind for the people who are not on GAPS, and then also some pumpkin pancakes for those who are. And so I just make plenty of those so we have those to heat up. I also am getting some meat stock ready for my son to drink. That's something that we'll do every day, no matter what. Another thing that we do each and every morning, whether we're having a busy morning or not, is to take our supplements. So we have cod liver oil. I like trying a couple different kinds and rotating between the fermented cod liver oil or the Rosita cod liver oil. And then we'll also do our high vitamin butter oil. And then some homeopathic cell salts. I like the blend that has all 12 of them in one. It's called Bioplasma. And then, of course, it's also time to just sit down and eat. The extra pancakes, extra juice, extra bacon, all those things that I make double batches of, I just put in glass storage containers and store them. I save my bacon grease, I pour it into this bowl every time so we can use it for cooking eggs or whatever we want. Also, first thing in the morning, it's time to head outside and let the chickens down out of their upper section here where they stay safe during the night. So we let their ramp down and let them come out. Our garden is in a good position right now where it's okay to let them come out of their pen once in a while. There's no little seedlings or anything that I'm worried about them eating. So I'm going to go ahead and let them come out in the backyard. And then I have a little bit of work to do. I have some sourdough rolls that I need to finish filming the process for and get those rising. So I just have some dough here that I'm going to shape into rolls. And then I'll be baking these, filming the process, and I think photographing them later. This is a recipe for some really nice sourdough dinner rolls, and this whole tutorial and recipe video is going to be coming to my channel soon, so definitely be watching for that. After we're done with our work in the kitchen and our work outside and my little bit of dough that I needed to get rising, we have a bunch of other things that we work on in the morning when we're at home. I do our reading to them. There's some memory work and different things that my daughter works on the days that she's with me and not at school. And then we also have myofunctional therapy. So if you're new to that, it's like physical therapy for your mouth. So my 2 older kids had tongue ties released recently, and so it's just exercises to help their tongue to function like it's supposed to. It has so many things that it has to do with, amazing benefits. If you would like me to talk more about tongue ties and myofunctional therapy and stuff, let me know and I'll do a video where I talk about our experience with it. And by the time we're done with all of that, it is pretty much time to start thinking about lunch. So that is our morning routine on the GAPS diet when we're home on a slower day, and the way that I kind of prep things ahead of time to make it really fast and easy on those mornings when we don't have much time and we need to be out the door very quickly. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing that, and I hope that you found it helpful. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think would like to see it. Also, be sure and leave me a comment down below and let me know what kind of videos would you like me to make. Here on my channel, I show you how to make nourishing recipes for nutrient-dense food, natural remedies, and DIY skincare and home products. So if those are something that you're interested in and you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 videos every week. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.